Are you like Bob? Every day, Bob went online to read his email, check his online banking, and connect on social networks. And just like you, Bob was constantly typing out usernames and passwords for all of his logins. Sometimes he couldn't even remember what his passwords were. Then Bob tried LastPass, a secure password manager. With LastPass, Bob's life is easier. He just adds his passwords to his LastPass vault, and the next time he visits a site, LastPass logs in for him. Since his data is encrypted and decrypted locally, Bob knows his information is safe. And the best part? LastPass keeps his data securely synced across all of his devices. Bob can use it on his desktop, his Mac, his new smartphone, even when he uses a friend's computer. Whether he needs his passwords at work, at home, or on the go, LastPass gives Bob instant access to all of his data. Be like Bob. Let LastPass help you take control of your passwords and simplify your online life.